Hey guys, it's Andy here and welcome back to More Than a House. In this episode we do some painting, decorating, we get to make our own custom feature wall and our custom barn doors. And we're going to show you how it's done. Alright, Mark's got a nail gun. This might get interesting. So I found some inspo pics and Mark's going to make me a really cute feature wall.
Whoa, look at that, now you turn and come back out. Cool. Little one, and a few little ones. That's good. Okay, so we just finished up doing this feature wall, putting some trims on. Obviously, Andrew's got a lot of gut filling to do and some painting, but this is one of the weird parts of this property where it had like some exposed studs, and we thought rather than trying to cut it down and flush it all out, we'd make it a feature. So run these trims off, nail gunned on with our new nail gun. Super handy. Thanks to Ben for suggesting this, because it's been a lifesaver. So yeah, now Andy's got a lot of gut filling and painting. Probably going to go white. It's going to come up really nice, hopefully. Also, Ben's been super busy over the last couple of days we've been here, trimming out all these awkward corners. These were just exposed where we opened this wall right up early on in an early episode, and yeah, he just sort of found his way around this with the architraves and some cement sheeting, and same thing over here. We sort of just had to work our way through it all, but now it's all coming up really nice. So now it's just a matter of a lot of gut filling and a lot of painting, but it's starting to look like a real proper thing.
Here's a little glimpse of Ben fixing up some trims around the place. He's been patching up a few little bits all over the house, but he's a little camera shy. So last episode, the boys got these panels on the wall, the cement sheeting. So now if we flood, we're pretty safe. So I've just sanded down all our joints, and now I'm just going in and putting some paint. So it won't be long and this room will be up and running again, which is exciting. So here you'll see Ben and Mark start making our barn doors. We're using some recycled chipboard. We also use this in the kitchen. They're making these doors to suit because these walls and floors are uneven.
So we're cutting in some fake paneling. A typical barn door would have been made with actual pieces. We're trying to replicate that. So yeah, we've just got a bit of chipboard, which is light, cheap and easy because it's free. And yeah, we're just making our own panels. It's gonna look good once it's got a coat of paint on it. And the reason we're doing it like this is that the same doors from Bunnings were only a certain size. These are a bit bigger, so they're suited to our openings, which are not a standard size. And besides that, the Bunnings ones are like 430 bucks, and these are going to cost us probably about 20 bucks for two.
So here I start doing the second coat of paint on the new feature wall. It was covering really good and it is looking awesome. I'm really happy with the result. Now on to barn door 2. This one goes a bit smoother. The boys know what they're doing and they got the plan down pat. So our barn doors are ready for paint. We've decided to go blue door, blue room, orange door, orange room. We're going to do opposing colours, but we keep confusing what room's what, because me keeps confusing. So we're just going to keep it simple. So here we go.
That looks so cool. That colour is sick. So Andy and I have been tacking this door with the colour, which is called Cool Jazz by Berger, and it's looking really good. We used a trick that we kind of found by accident on the other wall when we used a paintbrush that had been previously used for white, and even though it had been cleaned out, it wasn't super thoroughly clean, and that little tiny bit of white sort of gave it a few lighter streaks through, which works really well for this because, as you guys have seen in both bedrooms, the feature walls have been painted with like a bit of a shabby sort of look, a bit of an aged sort of look. So we're doing the same approach with this, which is going to not only give it the characteristics, but also it's going to be a little bit more hard wearing. So maybe as the door sort of gets knocked around a little bit with use, it's not going to be super obvious. So yeah, so far it's looking really, really good. We'll get this side finished up and then yeah, flip it over. We'll have to wait till tomorrow to paint it because enamel takes a long time to dry. about patina is you can't get it wrong.
Alright, so Ben got all these trims done, fixed up our little edges like Mark showed you before, fixed up this weird corner, and around our door window, got all this done. So next I'm just going to get it all painted up, and then this room what we have been staying in. Mark built our bed, and yeah, we just moved into this room for the time being. Which has our cute new barn door, which we're loving, very cute. Also, yeah, got the trim done around here. So next I've got to decide what colour I'm going to do in here. I actually don't hate this colour, but we'll see. If anyone's got any great ideas, let me know. Our kitchen is pretty functional. We got water. We don't have hot water in here yet. Might still got to do the plumbing on that. But at least I can use it. We've got an air fryer, microwave, fridge. So yeah, it's getting a lot more user friendly up here, which has been great. It's exciting. Yeah, so yeah, we got our second barn door up. Also, I got all the white done back in this bedroom. So it won't be long. I've got to fix up the patches on the feature wall and do skirtings. And then, yeah, this room will be back and going. So we're actually getting through the repairs pretty quick. And some of the stuff we hadn't even finished from last time, and we're actually getting to tick it off the box. So that's pretty good. We're pretty happy. Yeah. Thanks for coming along and watching another episode with us. You can see we're slowly progressing and we're really happy with our results, and we really appreciate your support. So don't forget to jump on, like, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already.